Redbud. Best outdoor of the year, I feel like. Sick track, sick fans, and yeah, just get ready to go out there and keep doing what we're doing. A little bit of an unfortunate weekend last weekend with starts, so just try to get back up there in the starts and yeah, keep that speed going that we've had all year, and yeah, hope for a good day. First practice, normal Redbud, deep out there, and sun in your eyes. So yeah, the track's tough right now. Just trying to find lines that, you know, don't rob your power. And a lot of the insides have a big hook and kind of slow you down, take your momentum away. So just trying to stay light on the bike out there, and yeah, we'll see how this next practice goes. I think I was 4th in that one, and was able to get the lead the last lap. So that was fun, but yeah, just getting ready for the day, and early start this morning. We go first, so getting to it.
Yeah, Redbud, 4th of July weekend. It's going, man. It's gnarly right now. The track's super deep. It's been a long time since I've been here, so I was nervous to hit the lead, but we got her done. Got the case out of the way early, so that was nice. And yeah, not bad. P8 in that one, and we'll see if this one gets any faster. But yeah, just gonna have some fun today, man.
Good. We were P2 in the first practice. The track's actually really deep for Redbud even, so it's going to be a different track than I think the usual. There was ruts everywhere, so it was good though. Felt good. Just need to improve a little bit in section 1, which is just literally the first 2 turns on the track, and then somewhere in the middle. So overall feeling good, ready for the day.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the best, if not the best atmosphere of the year. So for an outdoor national, so it's you know, it's hard not to like it. A lot of people here, and yeah, it should be fun today. I'll hopefully I can get off to 2 good starts.
So far, day's been pretty good. Yeah, I've been riding really well. I think that all my ideal times are up in the top 3. So yeah, I feel comfortable. Feel like my starts were good. I wish I was a little bit faster in overall, but I just got to put the track together, put the segments together. We looked at some film footage, and I can see some areas that I can improve. So overall, I feel strong, feel good. Looking forward to the motos.
Yeah, practice ended up, I think I was P2 in the first one, and then second session I fell. Got a little bar to the leg, so that was pretty messed up. But it is what it is. Yeah, so we qualified second, yeah.
It went pretty good. Definitely big improvements from Hangtown. First moto, I got the whole shot, and then I was leading about 20 minutes in. Then I came into a corner and I hit false neutral and kind of got stuck under the bike. So yeah, and then second moto, I got a really good start and then crashed on the second corner, just stuck the front. And then got back up, came up to 6th or whatever, but that was alright. Definitely big improvements from Hangtown though.
First moto didn't go very good, didn't have the best start, didn't feel too comfortable out there, wasn't really able to get a flow like how I wanted to. Second moto was pretty frustrated and went out, got a really good start, and was able to work my way to P3. So we made some changes in between motos, which worked out pretty good. Bike felt way better second moto, felt way more comfortable.
What are you looking forward to at Ironman?
Yeah, so we did a regional there, so I've got some time on that track. Track's super fun, so I'm excited to go see what we could do there. Hopefully another podium, but we'll see how it goes.
Failing, I don't really know how to ride a motorcycle right now. It's okay. Redbud's always good though. These fans are awesome. Track's awesome. I just need to be better at the end of the day, and I'm excited to go racing. Honestly, I'm not a practice guy. I'm a racer, so
let's just drop the gate and go suffer for 235s and enjoy the day.
Yeah, not bad. Track is deep, very deep. Qualifying didn't go as good as I wanted to, but it's really just a few corners. I just keep burying it in and losing time. So everywhere else, I'm good on the leaps part of the track. So just trying to put the rest of this track together for the motos, and it's going to be hot, 35 minutes to see who's got it in the heat.
It's okay, honestly. First qualifying was pretty good for me, and then second one I had little problems with the mistakes and everything, but it's okay. I don't know where I ended up, like 19th or something. It's okay. So yeah, just ready for the races. Hopefully got a good start and just ride my racing, stay consistent.
It's been pretty good. First practice P5, second practice P3, so feeling pretty good. We did some testing this week, got the bike dialed, and feeling super comfortable. So excited to get out there in the motos, get off to a good start, see what we can do. Usually it's not my favorite on the circuit, but you know, riding pretty good today, so try to turn things around, and yeah, fans are always crazy here. It's always a good time, so it should be good.
Yeah, I had a good first practice. I qualified 13th and felt like I didn't really feel that great on the track, which was surprising, like with how good I qualified. And then second one, we made a little bit of bike change and kind of just struggled with the bike a little bit, and the track's pretty gnarly. So qualified 18th in that one, not great, but yeah, track's good. It's fun. It's Redbud 4th of July, so ready to rip up the motos.
Good. I took a weekend off last weekend, went and raced Mammoth, but qualifying was solid, got better throughout both sessions, and yeah, I'm excited for the motos.
How do you like the track overall as a whole? Have you raced here before?
I've never been here before, but dude, after the first lap, I was stoked. The track's so fun. It's deep. I like the deep stuff, but got to step the clutch a little bit. They got mad I got the bike a little hot. But yeah, the track's super fun.
Oh, not too bad. Kind of a standard qualifying day for me with 23rd, but I feel really good and looking forward to the motos.
How do you like Redbud as a whole?
I mean, it's an iconic race. Even if I didn't like the track, you can't dislike Redbud, but I do like the track, so like I said, looking forward to a great day and giving the fans a good show.
Man, it's yeah, big slice of humble pie. It's super deep and it's great to be back, having fun, but it's yeah, it's a challenge. You can definitely tell I've been off the bike for a little bit, lost a little bit of my racer intuition and just feel. So just working to gain everything back and get some feel back under my feet, so I can get around a little easier. It's brutal out there. It's brutal.
For the first time in 2025, Redbud revs her up. Gates down.
Now, so far this year, we've seen Eli, he's had the pace, and a lot of times on some of these motos, Eli's been clearly the fastest guy on the racetrack. His problem is what his problem is right now. He's got Jet in front of him, and hopefully for him, he doesn't get stuck behind air, because if he can get that open air, man, Eli can run a pace that nobody can match on this racetrack.
Can Tomac bridge the gap to the Lawrences?
Yeah, we're going to find out. He's got that open racetrack.
He's going to fight back. Oh, I see some steam coming out of the bottom of Tomac's bike. But meanwhile, he powers past Plessinger.
Yeah, well, Eli's smoking right now.
Oh no! James Tomac! We saw the steam or smoke coming out earlier, and it looks like he might be done.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying earlier. It was a little early for having the clutch issues, but yeah, that's a bummer.
How about Justin Cooper making a bid to perhaps be the #1 seed when the SMX playoffs begin in September? He was third in the Supercross rankings and then moved to second because Sexton wasn't scoring points early in motocross, and he has chopped the lead that Cooper Webb had on him by more than half. Here it is, folks. Qualifying's one thing. Can they bring it to the races? 250 Moto 1 from Redbud. Let's go. Where is Deegan? He is 17th. And a couple other riders on the move here. Nate Thrasher on the 41. That's the Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing machine. And the gap went from 14 seconds to 15. And now Deegan goes down. Mosiman and Deegan battling 6th and 7th. You see them. And then Thrasher back there in 8th. But yes, they are indeed taking advantage of the situation.
Hard part about Hayden, if you're a racer, once you get back up to Michael and you start battling, you're going to go back to who you normally are and how you ride. So he's got to be conscious of that.
Gotta be conscious of that. Got cross-rutted downhill and then down. You know, Deegan will try to quickly extinguish the fire that we're mentioning these riders have. Deegan right now, though, is just in points mode. So it'll be interesting to hear what happened and to see how he rebounds in Moto 2. Time to bring the heat. Pro Motocross underway. It is Cody Schock on the Yamaha.
Justin Cooper, he's been on the brink of winning one of these races, been his fastest qualifier a lot of times this year, so this is what they needed to do, just like that 250 class. Get some of these guys who've been fast, see what they can do with it when they're out front.
We're going for the lead right now, James. Got it.
Yeah, I was going to say the hope for Justin Cooper is he get around Jorge. Jorge has a good pace, but Justin is, you know, you can tell he's getting stalled out behind him.
Great ride by Justin Cooper in this Moto for second.
Good second moto there, 4-2 for third overall. It was a dig. Yeah, I got out to the lead and made my sprint to get away, and got really tired from there. So had to regroup, and bike started rattling. It was just a front disc brake guard, so that was kind of a blessing. I thought I was in for a DNF, but yeah, regrouped, got back to second, and yeah, finished there. So good day.
So many stories intersecting right now.
Not surprising to see if that's the injury Hayden Deegan's struggling in those types of situations.
Oh, and another rider down. That's Deegan again. I would not count out Mosiman of maybe taking this Moto win, because again, Shimoda doesn't have to beat him for the overall, and Mosiman, top box, is rolling.
Michael looks good. He's been riding good all year. We've been talking about a couple last lap or bike issues cost him for being on the podium, but nonetheless, good to see another Star Racing Yamaha up here, and Michael after that injury he had.
What a journey it has been today. The qualifying crash, 2 crashes and a smoking motorcycle, 14th in Moto 1. More problems in Moto 2. He comes all the way back to second. It will be 5th overall.
Got a pretty good start, and knew I was in a good spot. Rode well. I lost my rear brake about mid-moto, and that was kind of it. Just had to bring it home. Made a mistake, had a crash, but hey man, with the crash, you get a podium at Redbud. This is the track I circled as one of the most challenging for me. I've always really found this one tough, and so to come out here with a third, freaking stoked. And man, what a place to do it.
Tell me about racing's done. I went, I think, I don't even know the first moto to P2 in the second one. Had to man up a little. Yeah, I mean, just pain's gnarly going through all these bumps. This track's rough, so it is what it is. And good thing we have a fat points lead. So things like this where we need to, you know, kind of recover through the races, try my best. Is what it is. But yeah, we'll figure out this week's plan and hopefully come out swinging next weekend.